All right, so based on some recent videos that I've seen, here we go. Some apple cider. Hashtag carb doping. He drinks a lot of it, and I've been writing a lot, so I figured, what the heck? And it's got 2 apples per serving, and that's in an 8 ounce serving. So, and then I should have some organic sugar, so I'll kind of watch one of his videos and see how much sugar he puts in it. So we've got organic sugar, pure cane, earth friendly and delicious. So we'll see how that tastes together. Better picture of this.